Coupler directivity calculator is used to calculate the minimum and maximum values of reflection coefficient, VSWR, return loss, and mismatch loss. It's the electronic version of the old directivity error calculator from Hewlett-Packard. The directivity error calculator shows the accuracy of a reflection measurement of unknown impedance. It bases its readings on the directivity of the coupler used for the measurement. One of the most important parameters for couplers is their directivity. Directivity is a measure of a coupler's ability to separate signals flowing in opposite directions within the coupler. It can be thought of as the dynamic range available for reflection measurements.